So we have to pressurize this gas line. There's four of them. Haven't done that one, but I picked up this portable compressor by Milwaukee. See how that got a battery, plugs in right here. Take it in out there, turn it on there, digital readout. Then take that off, cap off. Put the little bib on. Then you set this, your pressure that you want it. We're going to get up to 15 pounds. And you kick it on. Nope, kick it off. Kick it on. Get to the pressure you want. 115. And we can turn it on.